Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Grazing Deal Makers. Today we're going to be working on cleaning up our front yard area, I guess you could call it, slash pasture. If you remember back when we first bought the property in the end of summer last year in 2022, this was all growed up probably 10 feet or more. It was probably 10 feet tall or more. So if you remember over here, we actually had to make a trail in to see the well house. We've done a lot of work off camera, bush hogging and stuff this winter. So we've got the excavator down here today. It's a nice warm day in February, so we're gonna get out here and work. And to be honest with you, I'm just kind of tired of doing sheetrocking and painting in the house. So I'm ready to get out here and do something a little bit more fun. So we're gonna be out here today. We're gonna pull up some of these trees. That way we can get this dressed up this summer and turn back into a pasture slash yard. We're not really sure what we're going to do with it yet, but we're going to get this all stacked up on this brush pile that we're going to burn here in the next week or so. We got a big brush pile over here. We also have another big brush pile right down here that come from this area here, and then that pasture over here. So we've done a good bit of work, but we still got a whole lot more to do, a lot more to get on this brush pile before we get ready to burn it here in the next week. Y'all hang in there, and hope y'all enjoy this. flung my chain off. See if we can get them to the pile. I'll cut the stumps off. It's the best little chainsaw I ever bought. All right, everybody, so we got as much done as we could today. It only took a few hours this afternoon to clean up this whole area, but it's getting dark on us. So I believe that's going to be all for today's video. Appreciate everybody watching. I hope y'all come back next time. And we've got a lot more to clean up over here. It's just way too wet down in here now. I've almost got the traco stuck a couple times. But when it dries up a little bit more, we'll get in here and clean up some more of this briars and stuff. I may need to get a mulcher head in here on a skid steer or something to go through there because it's pretty nasty. But anyways, hope everybody enjoyed this, and we'll see y'all on the next one.